In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color filter to your image in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your photos a custom color vibe using Canva's built-in controls without relying on pre-made filters. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're on your canvas, locate the image you want to style and click it so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the image. At the top of the interface, click Edit. This opens the editing tools for your selected image. From here, choose Adjust. Adjust is where the core image tuning controls live, and it's the perfect place to craft a color filter that matches your brand or mood. Scroll down until you reach the Color Edit section. Click the current color to reveal the controls you'll use. These are the heart of your color filter: hue, saturation, and brightness. Think of them as dials that shape the overall feel of your image. Hue rotates the colors around the spectrum. Slide it gently to shift cool blues toward teal, greens toward yellow, or warm tones toward pinks and purples. Small movements go a long way, so ease it until the image leans into the mood you're after. Saturation controls color intensity. Increasing saturation makes colors feel richer and more vivid. Lowering it softens the palette for a more muted, editorial look. Keep an eye on skin tones or brand colors. Too much can look unrealistic, while too little can drain the image's energy. Brightness adjusts how light or dark the overall image appears. Lift it slightly to add air and openness, or reduce it for a moodier, cinematic feel. Balance is key. You want detail in both highlights and shadows so the image still looks natural and readable. As you make changes, watch the live preview. The goal is a cohesive look where hue sets the overall color direction, saturation adds just the right punch, and brightness ensures clarity. If you're aiming for a warm, cozy aesthetic, a subtle hue shift toward warmer tones with a modest saturation boost and a gentle brightness lift often does the trick. For a cooler, modern look, nudge hue toward blues and keep saturation restrained for a sleek finish. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've just created a custom color filter using hue, saturation, and brightness in Canva. Reuse the same approach on other images for a consistent visual style across your project.